This is the Segal mortise cylinder or replacement cylinder. This is just another security upgrade video. I took the standard pins out and I'm going to replace them with 3 spools. Three serrated, 1 spool, and then 1 of those weird double spool serrated things. And we'll try to open it up and see how it picks. So I've already got the springs in it, just to cut down on a little bit of time. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put a serrated in number 5. Ooh. I don't know if that's going to work. It might. Alright, so we got a serrated in number 5. A serrated in number 4. And I know if you put serrated and spools, it'll kind of keep the the core from moving too much, because if it's all spools, it just kind of makes it a little sloppy. So I'm gonna put a spool in number 3, and I think I put it in upside down with the big side down, but I did that kind of on purpose to give it more counter rotation, give it more of a chance to drop some things. I'm going to put one of these weird Yale double spool serrated things in number 2, if I can get it to cooperate. Another serrated in number 1. Alright. I'm not changing out the key pins or the bitting or anything like that. Let's get this out. Let's get this out of the way. Let's see if this will work. Alright, don't lose anything. Okay. I may have to take this off camera for just 1 second to get this clip back on here, if I can even find the dang thing. Alright, so here's the clip. Oof. Yeah. No, is that even the right clip? That has to be the right clip. Alright, well, I seem to have bent the clip out when I was undoing it, so I'm gonna have to just redo that. I'm just gonna have to, I'll do that off camera. I'm not gonna make you guys wait for me to find a pair of pliers and pinch the thing back together. I'll just be careful and not pull the core out. Okay, so let's see, which one are you? You're 32, you're not gonna work. 40 or 50? Let's see if the 50 works. Yep. 50,000. Well, before I do that, let's try this. Let's try this. So that's looking good. Okay. Alright, cool. So that's a little better. It won't rake open now. Alright, let's get... Yep. I'm going to try Peterson's pry bar, 50 thousandths, and I'm just going to use the Peterson standard hook. So, let's see. Maybe one set. Doesn't feel like nothing on 2. There's something at 3. Maybe something at 4. Nothing on 5 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe something out of 2, 3. Nothing on 4. Okay, now there's 4. Alright, and then 5. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's not great.